So here is our newest customer. He's actually Sterling Bank's customer. So we're the ones doing the installation. So let's go in, give you a quick view. Say hello.
Hello, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Very friendly people, by the way.
Lovely job, sir.
Very friendly people. So this is our newest project. Hope to be done in 2 weeks. Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from, where are we again? Magodo. So this is our next installation. We're getting it ready. So I'm pretty excited. And we have another one coming up that's going to be similar. Actually, this will be more panels than this one. So it's a school in Magodo. They spend quite a bit of money on fuel. So we're installing 225 kilowatt inverters for them. And 110 590 watt panels. So let me see if I can. These are our guys. Say hello, guys.
Hello. Hello.
So those are the accessories, mid clamps, end clamps stuff. See, rail joiners. So that's count and make sure that we have enough of these things. So let me take you. So we're going to be putting it on that roof there, but on the other side of the roof. So let me take you there and see while we make preparations. Okay. So Azeko and his team. That's the old WPS shirt you're wearing.
Now why are you finger?
Oh, this is one of the old ones. We've not even done one of these in such a long time. This is from 2017, Abby? 2016, this shirt. Wow. We've come a long way since. So see, Edna, show them. Edna, show them. Well, no, discount the boobs. Just look at Mercy. God, mercy. So they're setting up scaffolding. So we're going to be on this roof here. So once scaffolding is set up, I'll come back and I'll climb the scaffolding so you can see what's going on. It's a massive school. So this is the first phase of the work we're going to do. They're going to tidy this place up eventually. Our inverters are going to go here. Our inverters are going to go right here. So they're going to clean this place up for us. You can see they have massive generators. Look at the fuel tanks. Massive fuel tanks. Look at the second one. And then look at the size of the generators. Massive generators. So this is what we're trying to reduce their cost of power.